Good morning, everybody. Happy New Year. It's Buddy from Bert's Garage, back at it on the MGB. Nice day today. We've had some cool weather, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to be outside working. We tried to get the clear on the body today, this morning, and do some more work on my hood, and then we'll be able to put some color and some base on the hood and get it cleared. I'll do that separate, but I want to get the body cleared because we've got some bad weather coming in the first of next week, and it's going to be too cold to do anything. Today it's going to be close to 60, so it'll be pretty good temperature to put a little clear on it. So share, like, and subscribe. I appreciate it, and I'll show you some things that I've done on the inside. As far as like some of the interior pieces in the last couple of weeks as I've been working inside also on this video. So stay tuned, watch to the end, and like I said, share, like, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okie dokie. So I've got two coats, at least two coats, maybe 2.5 coats of clear. I've got some runs that I can sand out. It's no big deal. But I want to just leave this alone for a while. So I don't want to mess with it. So I want to leave here and give it time to dry really good and harden up. So I can come over and actually see how it really turned out. But it looks pretty decent. Spoiler looks really good. So, you know, it's getting there. The day turned out pretty good. Of course, I still have to work on the hood, which I think the hood's going to be so much better than it was. Just with the areas, it's so much smoother. So, that's where we stand today. I'll get back probably maybe tomorrow. If I don't go to Daytona on Saturday, I'll be back here Saturday. So thanks for tagging along. Appreciate it. This will give you an idea of the, this is part of the door trim for the windows. This is the upper section where the glass is. This is the old material. As you can see, it's seen better days over 50 years. This is the new one. This is all the new ones that I covered. I'm going to have black seats with white piping will be the interior, so this will match. This is the new one, and again, this is one of the old ones that is just it's amazing the sun damage, which the sun's done to it over the years, but 50 years is a long time. So I'll show you too when I get it all finished. It also has a piece of chrome that goes on it and some little trim pieces up next to the windows. Thanks.